from 5 leaders and 6 Philippines. Those 18 of church leaders. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin yung mga nakamataas sa atin. Those who may calling or position. Kung namin kaisitin yung mga nasa position or kung namin questionation. Those second guess or who should or should not have been called. Don't take use as an opportunity to serve. Pag tayo ay pinanong, kunwari tayo ay interviewing sa office ng bishop, pag tayo pagdalawin na, tatanggalin ba natin yung calling na naasa sa atin. Kasi alam nila na serve tayo na mag-serve sa Lord. At alam nila na kaya natin gampanan yung mga calling na natatanggap natin. Don't refrain from a call to inform leaders of changing circumstances in your life. Knowing that leaders will weigh all factors when prayerfully considering the proper timing of your living. Kung tayo ay nakakaroon na parang hindi natin kaya yung calling, pwedeng mag-antay sa team bishop ka. Sabihin natin yung mga nararamdaman natin. Sila yung magsasabi kung oras na may tayo sa ating mga calling na naganda. Sa pagkaya ko sa Kristo, nalalaman natin ito, yung mga kanilang specific content. Tulad na seniority is ordinary apostles. Even when other life is tested, special courtesy to President Romney while they praying the upper room in the temple. President Romney was literally behind for some reason, and Elder Knight did not want to dismiss him out the door. When President Romney signaled for him to go first, Elder Knight replied, "No, President, you go first." President Romney replied with his humor.
Kaya na yun. Hindi, kaya na pa yan ganyan eh.
Doon sa kayo na nais na ni President Benson, nalalaman ni Elder Knight